will show you how to come up out of our Savasana. And I will just join you back on the mat. Please watch to the end of this video because I have a bit more instruction for this next move that we're going to do. But for now, extend your arms up. Like I said, extend your legs, point your toes, plantar flex the ankles. Stretch out as if you're waking up in the morning. Then bend your knees, walk your feet closer to your body, bend your elbows and frame your head. Breathing here. You're welcome to keep your eyes closed, by the way, or flutter them open now if you want to. And I am turning to my left side, and you're welcome to turn to whichever side you're currently on. Turning to the left side. But again, wait for the end of the video because I have a few more instructions, yeah? Come into your fetal position just for a little while. Then use your top hand, whichever that is. Press it strongly into the mat. Push yourself up and come into a seated pose. Any seated pose, but I do recommend a Siddhasana. You're welcome to pop yourself up on your block or any cushion or any padding that you want to. Roll the shoulders here. Check in with your back. Have you collapsed down into a desk body or a device body? No. Wave yourself up. You don't have to have a strong hug and lift here, but you are encouraged to keep a good posture. Closing your eyes here or just keep them softly focused, just to reset your senses back to the waking world. Now, and after that, by the way, you're welcome to pop up off your mat as you need to. Now, further instructions for Shavasana. If you're feeling like you're lightheaded or your blood pressure is low, you're welcome to turn to your left side, yeah? If you're feeling that your blood pressure is okay and you're not feeling dizzy at all, you're welcome to turn to your right side, yeah? That's because on the left side, our main vein and main artery is not impeded by our organs. They're not being pinched, so they have free-flowing access, yeah? Having said that, we are only on our side for just a moment. It's even less than 15 seconds. But of course, you can stay there for as long as or as short as you want. But the point is, we're not on our side for very long, so don't dig in your nails into which side should I roll on, yeah? Don't fret about it, just roll on your side and always use your top hand to press into the mat or into the floor to lift you up. That supports your lower back and your torso coming from a lying down position to a seated position. Now, special mention though for pregnant women. If you are pregnant, firstly, I hope you've taken care of yourself. Don't push too far in the poses and avoid closed belly twists. Anyway, for Shavasana, for the fetal position, always turn to your left, yeah? Pregnant women, turn to your left, regardless of how far you are in your pregnancy. That's because, again, when you're turning to your left, your main vena cava and artery are not pressed by bump inside your tummy, your uterus, yeah? However, having said that, if lying down or if being on your side in a fetal position are both not comfortable for you, then by all means pop up, stay in a seated pose, and just have that duration of your Shavasana in any comfortable seated pose that is appropriate for you, yeah? Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next class.